Hello and welcome to the Company Interiors channel. In today's video we are talking about the use of moss walls, moss frames and moss paneling as an acoustic absorption material in commercial and domestic environments. So if you're into this sort of thing, please subscribe to our channel. Always click the notification bell so you get alerted to many more videos that we've got in this series. So we're going to jump onto the green screen in a minute and I'm going to show you some situations where we've installed these products and the benefits that they are doing to sound absorption. So in our moss wall environment or in our moss frames, we have another product which is called moss panels. So this is actually using predominantly our reindeer moss. So our reindeer moss is actually not a moss, it's actually a lichen, and it grows in Norwegian forests. It is ethically farmed, and we're going to go through some images to show you exactly where it comes from and then where we use it. So let's take a look. Hi, so where exactly does our product come from? Our product, our reindeer moss and our reindeer moss panels and reindeer moss acoustic panels come from sustainably farmed forests such as this. This is how it grows. It's a natural product, and this is what we are trying to use, our biophilic design, to bring nature into our new modern interior spaces. Ever so important. It's such a fantastic product, and we're here to try and show you some design ideas as to where you're going to use it, or maybe where you'd specify it. So acoustic panels are very, very important in interior design and specifications. So we run a design and build company. We specify these sorts of materials, and we're using these in schools. We are using these in large halls, large meeting rooms, or maybe open reception spaces. So hotel receptions is a classic situation, or even large walls in airports. So sound absorption is what we're talking about that these products actually do. So to actually put an acoustic panel or an acoustic material within an open space or an open room is how you are using this product to absorb the sound or high noise reverberations that are caused from sound itself, which is a vibration. Acoustic materials will absorb some of that. So if you liken the fact to an acoustic panel being like in a domestic situation where you would have lots of soft furnishings, sofas, soft carpets, curtains, lots of materials, pillows. In those environments, in a home, you have a nice stable acoustic environment where you don't have all these echoes and reverberations. But in offices, in schools, in a lot of those environments, it's all hard surfaces. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to now put back some of this softer material, and nothing is better than some of these moss products. So these reindeer mosses, these panels that are made, the panels actually come prefabricated. So in larger installations, you can actually just take the panel or take the design and then hang the panels, join them all together to create a larger surface to absorb sound. A music room, a restaurant, a cafeteria, all those sorts of areas where there's lots and lots of noise going on, you need to specify these sorts of products to absorb some of that reverberating sound. So get specifying. Great looking products. They come in spheres as well as flat panels, so your imagination can run wild with you. Hope you've enjoyed some of these images. Don't forget to click on the link below and get your free sample of moss if that's what you want, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you again.